Here's a quick video to show you how to change the air filter in your Craftsman M110 push mower. It's really simple to do. You're not going to need any tools. All you're going to need is a new air filter. Nice and easy. Here's your gas tank. You go right below your gas tank to this compartment here. This is where your filter is housed. You go to the top of it. There's a tab here. If it's feeling a little stuck, you might get a screwdriver to help pry that up. Just lift up there, it pries right off. You'll see the old air filter. You're just gonna pull it straight off. You can see all the gunk that's already in here. Definitely needs to be changed out. I'm gonna set that aside, take the nice new clean one. The holes on this side are gonna go right over these two compartments here. Doesn't matter if it's this way or this way, no upside down there. Push it on, just like that. Take your lid, tabs go in the bottom, and it's gonna snap right into place at the top. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.